Welcome to the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen, where we share gourmet recipes at a low-budget wonder. Now check this out. Here's our asparagus. Now, I've got the length of my hand here, and it shows the fingertips right there at the rubber band, which I'm moving down here to the bottom. That's where I like to cut it. A good hand length on the asparagus is a perfect length to cook. And just throw this other piece away. So we'll remove the other rubber band and we'll go throw it in our boiling water. Definitely got to season it. Some good salt in there and throw in your asparagus. About a 30-second blanch is all you need in this. And then we'll go to a pan with some olive oil. High heat. And we'll throw in our asparagus. We definitely want to season this as well. Give a good toss in the oil first so it's fully coated with oil, and then the seasoning will stick. A little salt and pepper. That's it. That's all you need. You're going to work it back and forth here on the stove. Make sure every side of that asparagus, every individual piece, gets cooked. You only need 3 minutes on high heat to get this all finished up. Using tongs is an excellent way, though, to turn it back and forth and move it around the way you want. Once it's ready, just throw it on a plate. Good to go. And there you have it. Asparagus, right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by poormansgourmetkitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.